What a reaction. When two or more substances are combined, changes sometimes take place. In some cases, the substances may change into a totally new product. This kind of change is called a chemical change. The process through which these changes take place is a chemical reaction. The original substances are called reactants. The substances that are formed by the reaction are called products. A chemical reaction occurs when you combine baking soda, calcium chloride, and water. You can see the reaction taking place as the solution begins to fizz. Shown here are water, baking soda, and calcium chloride. This is a cup of baking soda and calcium chloride mixture with a cup of water. The fizzing is actually the making of new substances. They are a gas that escapes into the air and a new white solid. Any solid produced by a chemical reaction is called a precipitate. Many substances in nature are formed through chemical reactions. Water molecules, for example, are formed when hydrogen and oxygen react. Hydrogen and oxygen are the reactants, and water is the product. When sodium and chlorine react, sodium chloride, forms. Sodium and chlorine are the reactants and salt is the product. Add the water to the baking soda and calcium chloride, watch it fizz. Slow reactions, fast reactions. Reactions occur at different rates. Some take place slowly over long periods of time. Others happen in a split second. Rusting is one type of slow chemical reaction. It occurs when metals such as iron react with oxygen. To see the effects of another type of reaction, look at an old copper penny. The chemical reaction between copper and the oxygen in the air takes place over a long period of time. Eventually, a green oxide will cover the penny's surface. Explosions are examples of superfast chemical reactions. Explosions occur quickly and violently. An explosive reaction occurs when hydrogen and oxygen combine or when a firecracker blows up. Airbags in cars are also inflated by a very fast-acting chemical reaction. A number of factors can affect the speeds of reactions. One factor is temperature. Colder temperatures slow reaction times, while warmer temperatures speed reactions. Concentration also affects reactions. The greater the concentration of a mixture or solution, the faster the reaction. Marguerite Curie, super scientists. Marguerite Curie had the good fortune to have one of the best role models in the world of chemistry, Marie Curie. Curie's first job was to work as Curie's assistant at the Radium Institute in Paris. Even after Curie died in 1934, Curie continued her research into radioactivity. In 1939, at the age of 29, Curie discovered a radioactive element called francium. In 1962, she became the first woman to be elected to France's Académie des Sciences.